Betting on certainty. The "dollars to doughnuts" phrase explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, "dollars to doughnuts." This expression is a quirky yet perfect example of how colorful and imaginative the English language can be. So, let's get started and explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, "dollars to doughnuts," is an American idiom that essentially means being almost certain about something. When someone uses this expression, they're betting that they're right about a situation, with as much confidence as if they were wagering dollars against someone else's doughnuts. It's a way of saying that the outcome is so likely that one is willing to stake something of greater value, dollars, against something of lesser value, doughnuts. Understanding where idioms come from can be just as interesting as learning what they mean. The phrase, "dollars to doughnuts," originated in the late 19th to early 20th century in the United States. During this time, doughnuts were a cheap and common treat, while dollars held much more value. The expression embodied a sense of high confidence in the outcome of an event, suggesting that one was so sure of being right that they would risk something valuable against something much less so. Using idiomatic expressions like "dollars to doughnuts" can add flavor to your English. Here's how to incorporate it into your speech. To express confidence, use it when you want to emphasize how certain you are about the outcome of a situation. For example, "I would bet dollars to doughnuts that our team wins the championship this year." In casual conversations, this phrase is best suited for informal settings among friends, family, or colleagues. It's a fun and engaging way to make your point. Remember, while idioms can make your English sound more natural, they're best used in appropriate contexts where they can be fully appreciated. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "dollars to doughnuts." We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting idiom, enriching your English vocabulary and helping you appreciate the language's creative expressions. Don't forget, learning English is a journey filled with fascinating discoveries. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using expressions like "dollars to doughnuts" with confidence in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.